April?
Here's your ball.
What are you doing, April? Say hi. Want the ball? Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on, girl.
I think she jumped for it. She's just like, let me here.
Come here, April.
Oh.
Good girl.
Oh, she likes that big thing, eh? That is so funny. It's so big.
She actually was jumping up to get it.
Come on, April. Want a ball? What are you doing? What? Oh. Watch this. She'll roll over. Ready? No. I have to put this on you. Here. Come here, April. April, come here. April, come here. April.
That's everything. I think she likes this more.
Yeah.
Where's the soccer ball? Soccer ball. Here, yeah, she likes the soccer ball.
Here.
She's trying to figure out what toy to go with.
Good girl, April. Come here.
I think she's trying to get all the toys at once. Oh,
Good girl.
growled.